Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about, the Nifty, the Bank Nifty, gold, silver and commodities. Yes, I'm gonna talk about all these things in this live streaming of mine. Yes, I'll tell you the levels of Nifty and as well as the Bank Nifty for today. Yes, I'm going to tell you all the range in which Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty could trade, as well as I'll be talking about gold and silver. Let me tell you all that today there is a red in the screen. Yes, there is a red on the screen today. Today, Nifty is trading currently at 24,220 and the Bank Nifty is trading at a level of 51,887. So my levels for today on the downside would be 24,116 and 24,177. The Nifty could rebound, could start going up from these levels. Yes, there could be a rebound from these levels, 24,116 and 24,177. Well, now let me just let me talk about the levels of Bank Nifty for today. You see, for Bank Nifty, my levels for today is, the first level to watch out for would be 51,793. The second level, the second support can be at a level of 51,663 and the third support could be at a level of 51,553. So, from now on till 3:30 in the afternoon, from these levels, the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty could rebound. It could start turning positive after this, means after these levels, it would start to trade above these levels once it touches these levels today. So the levels I want to repeat again is that the levels to watch out for today is 24,177 and the second support Nifty would be seeing at 24,116. 24,177 and 24,116. And regarding Bank Nifty, the levels are 51,793. That is the first support. The second support is at 51,663. And the third support is at 51,553. And the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty could reverse from these levels. It could turn positive from these levels. So this is a major support for today, these levels which I'm talking about. So now let me just talk about gold as well. Well, if you want to know about yourself, if you want to know about your future, your business, your career, your job, your relationships, your love relationships, your marriage, your married life, your children, your property, then also you can message me right now and I'll be glad to answer your questions. If you can send me your messages and I can then answer your questions accordingly. So for the time being, right now let me just tell you all about gold and silver as well. Well, my levels for gold and silver for today are, just let me tell you, see once. I've written it down on my mobile, so I'll just tell you all my levels for today. I won't be telling you all levels for every day, but for today I'm going to tell you all about gold and silver, the levels which I see. See, I am expecting gold and silver to go in the green anytime. Yes, I am positive on gold and silver today. Gold could start trading upwards from a level of 76,126. Yes, from a level of 76,126, the gold could rebound, it could reverse. Though the gold and silver are trading, currently at, let me just tell you all, currently silver is trading at 90,417 and silver is trading at a level of 90,417 and gold is trading at a level of 76,359. The gold could rebound from a level of 76,126 and silver could rebound from a level of 89,617. Yes, the gold could rebound from these levels at today. I'm talking about MCX prices. So let me repeat, silver could rebound from these levels of 89,617 and silver could rebound from a level of 89,617 and gold could rebound from a level of 76,126. So for the time being, yes, I have received one message from Wish Fulfillment Mantra. Yes, Namaskar ji. How can I help you? Do you have any questions for me? Wish Fulfillment Mantra. Do you have any questions for me? You can ask me on this live streaming of mine. So, you see, I'm quite hopeful. I'm not quite hopeful. I wouldn't use those phrases in this live streaming. I expect the Nifty to rebound from a level of 24,116 and 24,177. So if you want to write down my predictions, my astrological and numerological predictions about today, about Nifty, Bank Nifty, gold and silver, you can write it down. You see, never take a trade based on my videos, based on my predictions, based on my range of the gold and silver prices. Never do that. Never take a trade based on my predictions regarding the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Never do that. This is just for me to tell you all the power of astrology and numerology. So I'll try to give you all Nifty and Bank Nifty, gold and silver predictions every day from now on. I will try to do that. So for the time being, if you all have any questions, you all may ask me. Well, regarding, I was talking about, the stock markets yesterday. You see, stock markets is a mind game. It's a total mind game. And you need capital for this particular business because it is also called the capital market. So if you don't have capital, don't take any sort of leverage to buy stocks or shares or to trade in the stock markets. Never do that. Never in your life. Whatever you have, whatever money you have in your bank account, in your savings account, and you don't want to use that money, invest it in the stock market. Don't take any sort of leverage in the market, from the market, and invest in the stock market. Never do that. So yesterday I was talking about those levels, from where it can, the stock market, I was talking about those dates during which the stock markets can fall. And those dates are between 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2025. I expect the markets to correct significantly at that point in time. Yes. So, my prediction about the stock markets, not only the Indian stock markets, I'm talking about the stock markets in general. Yes, I have received a message from Wish Fulfillment Mantra, Dipti, 11th November 1989, 1140 उत्तराखंड. सर अच्छा टाइम कब आएगा, मेरा फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन ठीक नहीं है. Please hold on, let me just make your horoscope before I can give you this prediction of mine. So, if others have a question, other people have questions, y'all may answer, y'all may ask me in this video. Okay, just let me make your horoscope, wish fulfillment mantra, Dipti. You will have to wait. I'm just making your horoscope right now. So, you have asked me your financial condition and when will it improve? कब ठीक होगा फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन? देखिए, मेरे हिसाब से आपका जो फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन है वो 13 महीने के बाद सब्सटैंशियली इंप्रूव करेगा. हाँ दीप्ति जी, आपका जो फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन है वो सिग्निफिकेंटली इंप्रूव करेगा, बहुत अच्छी तरह इंप्रूव करेगा आफ्टर 13 मंथ्स. तो इसमें कोई घबराने की बात नहीं है. आपके जो भी खर्चे हैं, जो भी है, वो सब आप आराम से कर पाएंगी. तो इसमें कोई घबराने वाली बात नहीं है. बस आपको क्या करना है इस समय कि अपने खर्चों पर नियंत्रण रखना है. और मुझे लगता है कि आप ये जो फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम है, ये जो आपकी जो पैसे की समस्या है, उससे आप 13 महीनों के बाद बहुत ही अच्छी तरह उभर के आएंगी. कोई इसमें चिंता वाली बात नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं लग रहा कि आप इस सिचुएशन से रिकवर हो पाएंगी कि नहीं. आप ज़रूर रिकवर हो पाएंगी इस सिचुएशन से. तो मुझे लगता है कि मैंने आपके क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे दिया है. अभी देखिए, अभी जैसे कि अभी निफ्टी का जो लेवल चल रहा है वो अभी चल रहा है 24,220. नहीं, जगदीश जी ने, नमस्ते जगदीश जी, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं लग रहा मुझे कि कोई वर्ल्ड वॉर होने वाला है. मुझे नहीं लगता. हाँ, मंगल जो है अभी नीच का है. Mars is debilitated at this point in time, and it's going to remain debilitated for quite some time. But it doesn't seem so that the war would affect the stock markets at any point in time, especially the Indian markets. No, even if there is a war going on somewhere else in the world, that is not gonna affect the stock markets. I'm talking about the Indian stock markets. It's not gonna affect the stock markets, but definitely the stock markets are gonna fall. Yes, next year there could be a substantial correction in the stock markets. It could be between 15 and 20%, and those dates would be between 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2025. Wish fulfillment mantra says, sir, many astrologers say that Nifty December will ATH, sir, this possible? No, doesn't seem so that the Nifty will be at its all-time high in December. I don't expect the Nifty to cross its all-time high in December 2024. I don't expect that to happen. Sai Santosh writes, please let me know how will be the financial growth. Sai Santosh writes 23rd January 1997, 7 p.m. Okay, and his place of birth is Guntakal. Yes, in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, give me a moment, Mr. Sai Santosh. Let me make your horoscope. Mr. Sai Santosh, please wait. So, Mr. Sai Santosh has asked me, please let me know how will be the financial growth. Mr. Santosh, let me tell you, you haven't ever, whatever expenses you wanted to meet with, you have always got money from somewhere. Your work has never stopped because of money. Whatever you wanted to do, and if you didn't have the money, your work didn't stop. Yes, your work didn't stop because of money. You always got money from somewhere to meet your expenses. Isn't that right? Am I right with my predictions, Mr. Sai Santosh? Yes, now I think, yes. So now currently only 12 viewers are there, so I don't expect too many messages from you all. Viresh Sa, निफ्टी नेक्स्ट वीक में क्या लग रहा है आपको? देखिए मिस्टर शाह, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो प्रिडिक्शन है मैं आपको आज शाम तक दे दूंगा. ये जो निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी के अगले वीक के जो रेंज है वो मैं आपको आज शाम को वीडियो बना के दूंगा, बिल्कुल दूंगा. अभी तक मैंने देखा नहीं है अगले वीक का एस्ट्रोलॉजी और न्यूमरोलॉजी, तो मैं आपको शाम तक वीडियो बनाकर जरूर दूंगा. तो अभी क्या है कि देखिए, सबसे पहली बात जो मैं फिर से रिपीट करना चाहता हूं आप लोगों के लिए कि मेरा जो निफ्टी का नीचे का जो लेवल है वो है आज के लिए 24,177 और 24,116. यहां से मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं निफ्टी को तेजी में आने के लिए. हां, मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं कि ये दो लेवल से निफ्टी रिबाउंड कर सकता है, 24,116 और 24,177. बैंक निफ्टी का मेरा जो लेवल रहेगा वो रहेगा, पहला जो सपोर्ट है 51,793. देखिए अभी जो बैंक निफ्टी है वो 51,847 पे चल रहा है, और मेरा मानना यह है कि 3 सपोर्ट लेवल्स मैं दे रहा हूं आपको. 51,793 सपोर्ट है पहला, दूसरा 51,663 और तीसरा लेवल जो बैंक निफ्टी का है 51,553. प्रकाश कोठारी, सिल्वर बाय में हूं 93, प्लीज व्हाट टू डू. प्रकाश जी नमस्ते. अगर आप इस ट्रेड को होल्ड कर सकते हैं तो मुझे पक्का विश्वास है कि सिल्वर वापस 93 से ऊपर जाएगा, पक्का. इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है कि 93 से ऊपर चला जाएगा और आप प्रॉफिट देख सकेंगे, मगर आपकी होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी के ऊपर है कि आप कितना होल्ड कर सकते हैं इस सौदे को. देखिए आज जो मैं गोल्ड और सिल्वर के जो लेवल है मैंने आपको वैसे बता दिए हैं. प्रकाश जी मैं फिर से रिपीट करना चाहता हूं, गोल्ड आज 76,126 से रिबाउंड कर सकता है, और जो सिल्वर है वो 89,617 से रिबाउंड कर सकता है. अमित कुमार लिखते हैं, गुरुजी मेरी फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम को देखिए, आप कल भी नहीं देख पाए. जरूर आज अमित कुमार जी मैं जरूर आपको बताऊंगा आपके फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम के बारे में. जरा होल्ड करें, मुझे पहले आपका हॉरोस्कोप बनाने दीजिए. 28 सितंबर 1989 9:13 PM. आपका हॉरोस्कोप मेरे सामने है अब, और मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूं कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है। फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम को लेकर अभी फिलहाल कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, जरूर प्रॉब्लम है, इसमें कोई डाउट की बात नहीं है कि आपको अभी इस समय फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम लग रहा होगा, मगर आप इस फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम से बहुत ही जल्द रिकवर कर जाएंगे, और वो रिकवरी आएगी आस्ते आस्ते 29 मार्च 2025 के बाद। हाँ, ये जो रिकवरी आपकी फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स की जो रिकवरी आएगी वो आएगी 29 मार्च 2025 के बाद। अमित कुमार जी, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि 29 मार्च 2025 के बाद आपका बहुत ही टाइम अच्छा रहेगा फाइनेंशियली। जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है आपको फाइनेंशियली, वो 29 मार्च 2025 के बाद सॉल्व हो जाएंगी धीरे धीरे, इमीडिएटली नहीं होंगी। ऐसा नहीं होगा कि 30 मार्च से ही आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी, मगर धीरे धीरे कर कर आपकी जो फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन है वो काफी हद तक सॉल्व हो जाएगी। अभी देखिए कुछ बैंक निफ्टी में नीचे कुछ कमजोरी आ रही है। अभी 51,822 पे चल रहा है। निफ्टी जो है अभी इस समय चल रहा है 24,204। अभी भी नीचे जा सकता है निफ्टी, एक बार बिल्कुल जा सकता है, और जो लेवल से रिबाउंड कर सकता है निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी वो है 24,177 और 24,116। इस लेवल से निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी दोनों रिबाउंड कर सकते हैं। So you see, I told you yesterday that don't look for instant gratifications in the stock market. Don't look for instant gratifications in the stock market. Yes, you can make a lot of money in the stock market, provided you are patient. Yes, you need to be patient. You need to show your patience in the stock market, and you need to remain invested in quality stocks. You see, if you want to make huge sums of money in the stock market, you need to stay invested in the stock market for long. Yes, Rome was not built in a day. No, Rome was never built in a day. So if you want to build a huge portfolio for yourself, if you want to earn millions and billions of dollars in the stock market, then the only way you can do it is by investing, and you need to stay invested for the long term. Don't look for instant gratifications in the stock market. Don't do that. You will lose money. You will lose your hard-earned money. Don't look to earn money today or tomorrow. Don't do that. So this is my humble suggestion to you all. Though I'm not a stock market expert, you can take advice from your financial advisor and work accordingly. But at this point in time, I would like to tell you all that, if you want to invest in the stock market, next year would be the right time for you all to invest in the stock market. Not this year. Next year, you all will get an opportunity, a very good opportunity to buy your favorite stocks at lower prices. This 7-8% correction in the stock market, which has happened recently, is not exactly a correction. No, it isn't. But I expect it to, this Nifty can go down to a level of 24,717 also. Yes, it can show a level of 24,717, and it can reverse from there, and hopefully from there would be a very strong rally. Yes, there could be a rally of 1,000 and 1500 points from those levels, from a level of 23,717. Yes, the stock market can definitely fall to a level of 23,717 during this month. Yes, it can fall to a level of 23,717 during this month. But it would stage a smart recovery from there. I have no doubt about Nifty recovering from those levels. Well, for the time being, last week, I had given you all predictions regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty. And I had told you all that the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty would trade in the positive territory this week. Last week, I had released a video on the 31st of October 2024. I had told you all that the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty would start trading above those levels where it closed on the 31st of October 2024. The level on 31st of October 2024 where Nifty closed was 24,205. Yes, Nifty closed at a level of 24,205 on 31st of October 2024. And I had told you all clearly that the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty could go below those levels where it closed on the 31st of October 2024. And as you all saw this week from the 4th of November, the Nifty touched a low of 23,816. Yes, this week the Nifty touched a level of 23,816 and it reversed from there. And it started trading above that level of 31st of October 2024. And it went up to 24,537. So, indeed, and yesterday also I had told you all that the Nifty would close in the positive territory. And as you all saw, it did. Even the Bank Nifty closed in the positive territory yesterday. Oh yes, it did. On the 5th of November, the Bank Nifty closed at a level of 52,207. And on the 6th, it closed at a level of 52,317. So, the Bank Nifty has already started breaking down. And I had told you all, the support levels of Bank Nifty, I want to repeat it. The Bank Nifty can, recover from these levels. Mr. Manish Sharma writes, any chance of recovery in Bank Nifty from current levels? I'll give you the levels from which the Bank Nifty can recover. 51,793 would be the first support. The second support would be 51,663 and 51,553 would be the third support. So at this point in time, the Bank Nifty is trading at a level of 51,820. Yes. So Mr. Manish, I hope I have answered your question. So for the time being, if you all have any questions about yourself, you all can ask me. If you know your date of birth, time of birth or place of birth, even if you know your date of birth, that would be enough for me. I can give you all some predictions about you. If you are tensed about something in your life, if you are worried about something in your life, if you have any anxiety about something in your life, then you can always ask me your questions during this live session. Nisha writes, hello Guruji, I want to ask one question. Currently I am at home, not working anywhere. Is there any chance of earning in my Kundli? Nisha, you'll have to provide me your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. Ganesh ji writes, sir. So Nisha, I hope I've answered. If you can give me your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth, I'll be able to answer your question. So, If you have any more questions, if you want a detailed discussion regarding your horoscope, your kundli, you are most welcome to contact me. And you can WhatsApp me on 96745 if you want to know about your future, if you want a detailed discussion about your horoscope. Manju Kumar writes, Sir, I am from Bangalore. Tushar Patel, today S&P 500. Oh, S&P 500 has really shot up. Oh yes, it has. And I had predicted regarding S&P that the S&P would be trading in the positive territory. I had told you all clearly in my video that the S&P would be trading in the positive territory this week. And as you all can see on the trading screen, that has exactly happened. If you go to my YouTube channel Shri Aashish, you will see that I had predicted about S&P 500. Manju Kumar, okay. I don't think so I'll be able to take so many questions in this particular live streaming. It becomes difficult for me to, answer so many queries in a particular live streaming. It becomes very difficult. I apologize for that. I apologize. My apologies. I'm very sorry about it. Nisha, you've given me your date of birth. Okay, Nisha, let me answer your question. Okay, let me make your horoscope first. 14/10/1985, 9:30 p.m. Ghaziabad. Shruti, I don't think so I'll be able to take your queries today. I come live every day. I'm going to come live every day now. So, if you try some other day, that would be better. My apologies, Shruti, my apologies. So let me just answer Nisha's question. Okay, your question, Nisha, your question was, I want to ask question. Currently, I'm at home, not working anywhere. Is there any chance of earning in my kundli? Definitely, you are going to earn a lot of money. Yes, you are, Nisha, you are going to earn a lot of money. But this wouldn't be immediately. You'll have to wait for another, say, probably after the 26th of July 2025. Nisha, after the 26th of July 2025, you will get an opportunity to earn money. It could be, it could come suddenly to you. That opportunity would come suddenly to you. And, yes, that. So, Nisha, I hope I've answered your question. So, after 26th of July 2024, I expect you to get an opportunity. And that could, between say 26th of July 2025 and probably 17th of February 2026, you'll get an opportunity, and that you will take that opportunity and you will start earning money. Yes, you will start earning money between these dates. Siddharth Khanna writes, idea share kundli. Oh yes, I can give you my views on idea. You see, my level of idea on the downside is 6 rupees. Yes, idea can go down to a level of 6 rupees, and from there you should start accumulating this idea stock, this Vodafone idea stock. Yes, it is hovering around this 8 rupees level at this point in time. It is hovering around these levels. But let me tell you that there is a very strong possibility of the idea stock, the Vodafone idea stock, to fall to a level of 6 rupees. And from there, I would recommend you all to start accumulating this stock. And on every fall after that, you can add. Yes, you can average down your cost price if you see lower levels below 6 rupees. Hello Guruji, BMGR writes. Yes, BMGR. Guruji, is there any possibility of the market to go up today? Yes, BMGR. I have already discussed this in this video, that this live streaming, if you would have heard my earlier commentary, I had told you all clearly that the Nifty can rebound from a level of 24,117, and the second support for the Nifty would be 24,116. The first support 24,177, and the second support would be from 24,116. Regarding the Bank Nifty, the levels for today from where Bank Nifty can rebound would be 51,793 would be the first support level. The second support level would be 51,663, and the third support level for the Bank Nifty would be 51,553. I expect the banks to rebound from these levels. Yes. So Om Prakash ji, I won't be able to take any more questions today. I'm sorry about this. I'll definitely try to answer your questions in the next video, or in my next live streaming. I'll be practically coming every day for a live streaming session. So please try sometime the next day or whenever you find time to watch my live streaming. So for the gold as well as for the Nifty as well as for the Bank Nifty, I have already told you all what I just received. Yashpal, Silver View, up or down? Yashpal ji, for today or for this week, can you be specific about your question? Yashpal ji. Shruti Chatterjee writes, thank you. BMGR writes, thank you so much. Thank you. You're most welcome. Yes, most welcome, Shruti and BMGR. Mr. Siddharth Khanna, I have already spoken about Vodafone Idea. I think Vodafone Idea can hit a low of 6 rupees and it could rebound from there. But if it goes below that level also, you should start averaging down your cost price. You should buy at every level below 6 rupees. But before 6 rupees, I don't want you all to buy Vodafone Idea. Yes. Thank you, Nisha, for your comments. Earlier you posted video regarding stock market analysis, but after a few months can't get any notifications about your videos. Shruti, you can visit my YouTube channel Shri Aashish and you can watch my videos every time. I release a video on Nifty and Bank Nifty every Thursday. I've just started giving my Nifty and Bank Nifty's predictions since 2 weeks. So you can visit my YouTube channel Shri Aashish and watch my videos, Shruti. There's no problem. You'll find my videos there. So Nifty is at around 24,194 and Bank Nifty is at a level of 51,840. So Vishal Hulamani writes, I need to ask my Kundli is good for stock market. Oh yes, you can definitely ask me. Mr. Ganesh Bargale writes, respected Guruji, can I remain in stock market to grow further as I sustained losses recently? See, Mr. Ganesh Bargale, if you had invested your money for the long term, you wouldn't have lost money. Invest that money which you don't need every day. don't take any sort of loan, any sort of leverage to invest in the stock market. Don't gamble in the stock market. No, don't gamble in the stock market. Please don't. Don't. Please don't. You'll lose money. You see, this stock market is also called the capital markets. If you don't have sufficient capital, you will never make money. Yes, people make money in trading in futures and options, but those people are very few, very few. They average their cost price at every support level, and then only they are able to make some money out of the stock markets. So be patient in the stock markets, invest for the long term. And if you really invest for the long term, then you will become a Vijay Kedia someday. You will become a Warren Buffett someday. Yes, you will become a Rakesh Jhunjhunwala someday. But you need to remain focused. Yes, buy quality stocks. Don't buy penny stocks. I wouldn't recommend you all to do that. Yes, and don't buy, these 50 paisa stocks and 40 paisa stocks. Don't do that. Never. More often than not, you lose money. Yes, this is my... नरेश संधवानी राइट, श्री आशीष जी, गोल्ड सिल्वर की रेंज क्या रह सकती है आज? जरूर बताता हूं मैं आपको. नरेश सदवानी, मिस्टर सदवानी, एक मिनट में बताता हूं आपको आज की जो मेरी रेंज है, मैं बताता हूं. देखिए, जो मेरी रेंज है नीचे में गोल्ड की, वो है 126 नीचे में गोल्ड, और ऊपर में मेरी जो गोल्ड की जो टारगेट आज का रहेगा, जो 11:30 बजे तक रात को बंद हो सकता है, वो है 76,808. यस, मेरे हिसाब से गोल्ड इस लेवल के बीच में काम करना चाहिए. मगर देखिए, मेरे लेवल पे प्लीज आप काम मत करिए मिस्टर संधवानी, प्लीज. मैं गलत भी हो सकता हूं, मैं कोई भगवान तो हूं नहीं, मगर मेरी जो ज्योतिष और अंक ज्योतिष की जो गणना है, जो मेरी गणना है, वो है, मेरे को ये बताती है कि आज ज्योतिष और अंक ज्योतिष के हिसाब से 76,126 गोल्ड नीचे में बिल्कुल दिखा सकता है, और ऊपर में आज रात को 76,808 तक जा सकता है गोल्ड. और सिल्वर जो है, सिल्वर की जो मेरी रेंज है आज की, वो है 89,617 नीचे में, और ऊपर में गोल्ड सिल्वर 91,777 दिखा सकता है. बिल्कुल दिखा सकता है. कोई आश्चर्य नहीं रहा होगा मुझे कि गोल्ड 91,777 दिखा दे आज. सिल्वर सिल्वर 91,777 से दिखा दे, और गोल्ड ऊपर में 76,808 दिखा दे. इम्तियाज जी, आज मैं आपके क्वेश्चंस नहीं ले पाऊंगा, और आज मनीष शर्मा, थैंक यू टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू माई क्वेरी. आई हैड बीन योर प्रीवियस क्लाइंट ऑल्सो. लेट्स होप मार्केट रिकवर्स फ्रॉम हियर. आई एम ट्रैप्ड ऑन द लॉन्ग साइड. Like if Manish ji, if you take a trade for the long term, if you have a view for 1 month, 2 months or 3 months, until 31st of December 2024, I don't think so you'll face problems. You will get your prices if you stay put until 31st of December 2024 on the long side. Because I am expecting the markets to recover, but the markets can show a level of 23,717. Yes, it can show a level of 23,717 during this month once again. But please do not take any sort of trade based on my videos, based on my predictions. See, Nifty right now is currently trading at 24,000 220, and Nifty Bank is trading at 51,894. Already, if Nifty Bank is already crossing 51,920. Siddharth Khanna writes, Guruji, if you can give weekly and monthly video on particular share, you will definitely gain subscribers and views on videos. People really like that type of video. Thank you, Mr. Khanna, for your suggestion. Thank you so much. I'll consider that. I'll consider doing that. Thank you so much. Gurdeep Arora writes, yes, Mr. Arora, I've just told you, I expect a low of 23,717 on the Nifty. And from there, I expect the markets to go up from there substantially. Guruji, as per your prediction, market will bottom out by 26th April 2020. Can we start investing from that time? Oh sure, you can do that before that if you get lower levels. Mr. Jagdish, you can start investing your money even if you get, lower levels before that. Mr. Imtiaz Ali, I'll answer your questions later. Yes, in this particular video, I won't be able to, take any more personal questions. I'll do it in my next live streaming, don't worry. Thank you, Mr. Khanna, for your compliments. Thank you so much. I'm trying. Everybody's trying to be the best, right? You are trying on your level, I'm trying on my level. But I can never be right, 100% right. Nobody is ever right. So my request to y'all would be never take a trade. Never take a trade based on my videos. Consult your financial advisors. They are better people to advise you. I am not a stock market expert. No, I just do my calculations based on astrology and numerology. Let me be very clear with this, that I only use astrology and numerology to calculate about a particular stock, to calculate about the range of Nifty and Bank Nifty, to calculate about S&P 500, to predict about the range of Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. So, I don't use any other tool. I don't know how to use any other tool. So my predictions are based on astrology and numerology. I want people to believe in this science called astrology, yesterday somebody asked me what is astrology. I'll tell you what is astrology. Like we automate our office, we automate our factory, we install automatic machines in our office or factory, we install computers in our office, we install machinery in our factory to automate our office and factory. Similarly, God has installed planets in this universe to control us, to control the planet Earth. God is not going to move even a little finger of His to control us. He has automated us, this planet Earth, and hence He has installed all these planets, the Sun, the Moon, Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter. Let me tell you all, Venus has moved into the Sagittarius sign today, and there is an exchange between Venus and Jupiter. Yes, Jupiter is in the house of Venus at this point in time, and Venus is in the house of Jupiter at this point in time. So for Taurus ascendant people and Sagittarius ascendant people, this is going to be an excellent time for y'all. Y'all can receive very good money at this point in time. Yes, y'all can receive good money at this point in time. So let me take some Shruti Chatterjee. I message you on given WhatsApp. Yes, Mr. Shruti, I'll see your message later, Shruti. I'm currently live streaming, so I won't be able to see your message. So if you want to, so you see, what everything is destiny in our life. Everything. Nobody is smart enough to do his or her good, and nobody is stupid enough to do his or her bad. So if others can make it in this life, if others can earn money from the stock market, you can do it too. You see, Mr. Warren Buffett, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Mr. Vijay Kedia, all of them have got two hands and 2 feet, and God has given them a brain, sensory organs. They just have all those things God has given us. So if they can make it in this life, why can't you? You can also make it in this life. You can also make it in the stock market. You can also make millions in the stock market. So this is, a very good opportunity. If the market corrects and you can invest in the stock market, that would be a great opportunity. See, people say timing, you shouldn't time the markets. Well, I agree to a certain extent. But if you can time the markets, that would be great for you. If you know the bottom of a particular stock, if you know a bottom of a particular index, you can really make good money from the stock market. Yes, if you know, and that is only possible through astrology and numerology. Yes, that is very much possible. So, but we are all trying to do our best. But let me tell you, I'm not God. So never rely on my predictions. Do your own research and invest for the long term. Yes, you will make money if you invest for the long term. I have no doubt about it. So, what else can I help you all with? So, Nifty and Bank Nifty is currently, they have already recovered somewhat from the lower levels. See, definitely the recovery is there. Recovery is going to take place. And I expect the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty to close above those levels where it closed on the 31st of October 2024. Yes, the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty can close above those levels where it closed on the 31st of October 2024. Friday was a Muhurat session, so I wouldn't consider that as a base for my predictions. So let us hope the market recovers by tomorrow evening, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be meeting you all in my live streaming. So please keep your questions ready. If you all want any answers to your questions tomorrow, I'll be able to help you all. I'll be able to tell you all about your future tomorrow. So let me end this live streaming right now. It's been quite some time. What does Mr. Sandwani writes? Shri Aashish ji, 1697 time, Katni, general reading. Mr. Sandwani, if you want me to do a detailed reading about yourself, you can contact me over my WhatsApp number 96745298828, and then we can have a detailed discussions. Or you can, you can visit my live streaming for this answer. So I'll end my live streaming for today here. Thank you very much for watching. And here I would like to end this live streaming. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.